Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. I'm showing you Turkish kebabs, and trust me, they're fantastic. Turkish style shish Tawouk. Let's begin. The first thing is to take chicken thighs, boneless of course, clean them well and cut them into like an inch cubes, and then we're going to marinate them. Let's take this in a larger bowl and time to marinate this. But before marinating the chicken, we also need to tenderize this. I'm using milk as a tenderizer. Let's mix this well and allow this to stain for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Well, if you're looking at an alternative for milk, you can use buttermilk or you can just rely on curd. The next thing that goes in is some curd. Now, in case you're wondering, curd again, well, that's only if you're using curd as a tenderizer. Then do not go for milk. Just add in 2 tablespoons of curd, and that's about it. And then you do not need any other tenderizer. To this, I'm adding in sweet paprika for that beautiful color and also that undertone of sweetness. Next is some chili flakes along with allspice powder, salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and along with this, oil. Well, in these kebabs, authentically, extra virgin olive oil is used. If you can lay your hands on that, nothing like it. Rub this marinade well onto the pieces of chicken and keep this aside for 10 minutes. In that time, let's grind a paste of white onions, garlic, and cumin seeds. Let's grind the paste of white onions along with cloves of garlic and untoasted cumin seeds. Onion paste is done and ready. Let's have a quick check. Let's mix this into the marination and mix all this well now. Well, our shish taouk is marinated and ready. You can keep this aside for 30 minutes, or if you have no time at hand, let's begin. Now for shish taouk here, I have these metal skewers or these metal rods. In case you do not have these, you can also use wooden sticks or wooden skewers. The only thing is, just keep them in water for at least say half an hour, 45 minutes, so that the sticks do not get burned while cooking on open flame. I'm going to take 2 skewers here because they're extremely thin, if you see. They're not really thick. So I'm taking 2 of these and ensuring that I lace the tikkas beautifully well. When I say tikkas, I mean shish taouk. Now these are skewered and ready. The next step is to give the pieces of chicken grill marks. The chicken is done and ready. Let's transfer this. On the same grill, I'm also going to place a pita bread or a lavash, whatever you can lay your hands on, and grill this. The last step is to grill some vegetables. Let's add in just a little bit of regular vegetable oil. The oil is nice and hot. Let me throw in some white onions. Just cut them into thick slices. Ripe tomatoes. Just cut them in halves. And along with this, some whole green chilies. You can also throw in some cloves of garlic. It's going to be fun. While these vegetables are getting grilled, I'm going to add in just a touch of salt and maybe, if you're looking at some more flavor, some freshly cracked black pepper. Another 30-40 seconds on the grill, and with this, your Turkish style shish Tawook is done and ready. All you need to now do is assemble all of this beautifully on a platter, and that's about it. With this, your Turkish style shish taouk is done and ready. Make this for your family, make this for your friends, and you would have realized by now, it's so easy. If you have suggestions for me to see some kebabs from me, do let me know in the comment section below. Like I always say, stay tuned. Bye for now.